Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to delete or deactivate your Canva account. So for us to be able to begin, the first step for this one to go ahead to delete or deactivate your account is to log in first. So make sure that you're currently logged in onto your account. And then right after, you should be able to see this gear icon here onto the upper part corner of the screen that says settings. Click onto that one, and then you'll get redirected onto the settings of your account. Now to go ahead and delete or deactivate this, head on to login and security. And if you scroll down further in here, there should be an option to delete your account. So by deleting your account, you'll no longer be able to access any of your designs or log into Canva. So you should be able to see also in here when your account has been created. So just click on the delete account in here. And then right after, if you have submit if you're sure already to delete this, you need to submit this form and you have 14 days to log back in into your account to restore it before it's permanently deleted. So these are the following items that will be deleted, and you'll just need to enter the code that has been sent to your email in here if you want to proceed. So once you receive the code, put it in here and click on to delete account again to proceed. And that is just basically it, how you delete or deactivate your account on Canva. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you on to our next video.